Friends?
Ma'am, we are ready, but if you want to wait for other person to join, then we can wait.
But I think time is already 5:31, so I'm starting. Meanwhile, people will join, right? Yeah.
Ma'am, just want to ask you one question.
Yes.
I had some other classes, so I didn't able to join previous 3 classes. So can I understand from today? I have little bit idea of R.
In that case, you can understand. There is no problem in that case. You know na how to create variables, how to declare variables, how to use functions, and also in that case, there is no problem.
Ma'am, I use ChatGPT for the codes.
Okay.
I will see the other videos later, but I think I should start from today.
That is what I'm saying. I don't think so it will be difficult because R is a very user-friendly language. I don't think so you will face any problem. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, so let's start. I'll share my screen. Okay, my screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So we are starting with the today's agenda, that is the functions, right? In the previous sessions, I discussed the basics of R and RStudio. We have seen how to declare or how to create a variable in R. We have seen the importance of data structures. We have seen all the 6 types of data structures till now, right? Named as vector, list, vector, matrix, array, and data frame. This is what we have completed by yesterday. Today I am starting with the next concept, that is function. So today is the day 4, which is a day of functions and packages. So firstly, I'm discussing functions, right? So I don't think so I need to much comment on the functions part. I think everyone is knowing what is functions, right? Till now we have seen so many functions. So I can say there are, generally we can say functions are the defined codes which help users to perform certain tasks, right? There are 2 varieties of the functions in R. First one is the built-in functions or inbuilt functions, and second one is the user-defined functions, right? So as I said, functions are generally the codes or the block of codes which we are or a user or any user is writing for performing any particular task, right? So we can divide functions into the 2 categories, built-in functions and the user-defined functions. Firstly, I'll talk about the built-in functions. Okay. So the name is itself making us clear when I say built-in. Built-in means which is already available in the R environment, right? So functions already available in R environment are known as built-in functions, right? Means for these particular functions, we do not need to do any coding. User or users can use them without writing any code.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. So users can use them without writing any code, right? Means as it is built-in function or predefined functions, Meaning is already coding of these are being available in our environment. So that is why we do not need to write any coding for them, right? I think till now we have seen so many functions, right? Anyone who can tell me some of the names which we have already seen for anyone?
Madam, R bind, C bind,
Very good.
factor,
Very good.
Matrices,
Very good.
replacement,
REP. Okay.
REP,
Yes.
then sequential, am I right, ma'am?
Sequence.
Yes.
Yes.
Sequence,
Yes. Print we have seen. Yesterday I told you head function,
print,
tail function, right? We have seen str function,
string,
right? Yeah. We have seen list function, right? We have seen array function.
array,
What else? Data.frame, right? I
Yes,
think these are the functions which we have already seen, and we know this thing. These are the predefined functions. Only with the name we can use them, and we need to only understand the syntax of them, that what we need to pass inside these functions or the brackets of these functions. So in the parentheses, what arguments we need to pass, that is only the knowledge we need to have. And for that, again, I can tell you in R, there is a facility. Suppose I am writing here question mark, right? And I have written here str. I'm pressing Control Enter. You can see in the fourth window, I think we have not used this window till now, but today you can see once I am putting a question mark before any function, so it is showing me the whole description of that function and also the syntax. Getting my point?
yes, ma'am.
So it is very good thing of R. Means, as I think yesterday some of you were asking me regarding this. So the help is available in the R environment. Using this, you can easily understand what syntax you need to use to execute that particular function. Right? Clear?
Okay.
Yeah. So these are the user-defined functions, right? I think I don't need to tell you the, what I can say, the working of these functions. So I'm not repeating these functions now, right? Moving ahead, talking about, I'll take one more thing today, which is the descriptive statistics before taking the user-defined functions, right? Okay, so anyone who is having any idea about descriptive statistics?
Ma'am, I know it in statistics, but I don't know here, ma'am.
No issue. Yes, whatever you are understanding or knowing, share.
Applying. This is ABCD, so I have to.
Sorry. Again, once again.
Ma'am, this is a basic one. So, like, I've been trying whatever you taught for the past 3 days, and I've just completed first 2 days actually.
Okay.
And I was getting
Then
angry.
you're talking about a mean, median, mode,
Yes.
standard tendency.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so anyone who wants to say something for descriptive statistics?
If we have a data set, then we can calculate the central tendencies, the dispersions, everything comes under the descriptive statistics.
Fine. Okay, I think Amit sir, oh no,
Ma'am,
Sonali wants to say something. Yes, ma'am.
Descriptive statistics is like summary of data.
Very good. Yes, this is the right answer. Thank you so much, Sonali ma'am.
Welcome, ma'am.
Okay, so I can say descriptive statistics is a process, or it is one of the part of statistics, because statistics can be classified into the two parts: descriptive statistics, and the second one is the inferential statistics, right? Inferential statistics, I think we will talk or we will start from the Saturday, right? Tomorrow is a day we are reserving for the distributions, right? So in descriptive statistics, I'm talking today. Okay. Someone wants to say something? Shall I go ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So when I say descriptive statistics, we can say this is a statistics which can help us to summarize the data. Because as I think Amit sir said, when we are having the data set, so when you are having the data set, generally it is large in number, right? And when you are looking at any particular variable, looking at the variable, you cannot conclude anything. So what you need to do, you need to summarize that variable, you need to summarize the whole data set. So that way you can get more insights, right? So to get more insights from the data, we are using descriptive statistics, right? So there are various methods. Amit sir has already told us the names. That is measures of central tendency. So measures of central tendency is what? It is a single point or single measure. Single value is more appropriate. So I can say single value which represents the whole data, right? There are various ways. So we can say this is generally the value which we are getting. Generally, this is known as the central value of the complete variable. So to get that single value, we are using the method named as mean, median, and mode. Right. So mean, I think everyone of us is knowing mean is nothing but mean is that we are totaling the observations and dividing that by the total number of observations. That way we are getting a single value which is representing the whole data set, right? Median is the most middle value in the arranged set of the data, and it is dividing the whole data into the two equal parts, right? So we can say if suppose mean is 30 for the particular variable, so 50% observations will be less than 30 and 50% observations will be greater than 30. This is the meaning of median. Mode means the most occurred value in the data set is known as mode. So this is the first measure, or this is the first method, that is measures of central tendency. The second one is measures of distribution. So measures of distribution is what? Measures of distribution generally we are using or we are calculating to measure the scatteredness in the data, or to measure variation in the data. We are using the measures of this. Sorry, I think it is this distribution. It is measures of dispersion. Right. Next comes okay. In the measures which we are using here generally are known as the standard deviation and variance. These are the two mostly used measures of dispersion in statistics. Right. Apart from that, there are some other measures also available. Like range is there, then mean deviation is available, then quartile deviation is available. So there are so many different deviations available under the measures of dispersion, right? But mostly used, or most of the tests which are based on the measures of dispersion are standard deviation and variance, right? Then next comes third one is the measures of distribution. So measures of distribution meaning is when we want to understand the distribution of the data, whether the data is skewed to the mean or not skewed to the mean, or it is equally distributed along the mean. So this type of thing, or this type of quality of the data we can understand using the measures of distribution. Under this, we are keeping skewness and kurtosis, right? So skewness and kurtosis are the two measures which we are using for the so we can say using these two we can measure the or we can understand the distribution of the data. When I talk about skewness is nothing but it is a measure of asymmetry in data. Kurtosis measure of sharpness of bell-shaped curve. Right? So those who are having the idea about statistics and the normal distribution, they can relate this thing. Generally, when I talk about the normal distribution, so we are showing normal distribution using the bell-shaped curve. So the curve, I think when we are talking about the curve can be of different, what I can say, types. It can be more sharper, it can be flatter also, it can be okay also. So when it is coming in a middle, that means it is a normally distributed data. But when the sharpness of your curve is more, that is known as leptokurtic data. And when the curve is flatter kind of, that means it is more closer to the axis. That way you can call it as a platykurtic data. So that way there are three kurtosis named as mesokurtic, platykurtic, and leptokurtic, right? Similarly, skewness can be of two types, positive and negative skewness. Right? So when you want to understand your data fully, these are the different measures we can calculate, right? Using these measures, we can get an understanding about the data, and further we can decide which statistical test we need to perform. Getting my point? Any doubt till here?
Yes, ma'am.
For doubt, yes, or for
No, ma'am, I'm getting your point.
okay, fine, thank you.
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much, Mayuri ma'am. Fine. So if it is clear, then we will see if we are talking about all these things. Now, how we can use our programming to get these things, right? So here there are functions or statistical functions available in R, which can help us to understand these different things. Some of the functions are directly available to us, means these are the built-in functions, but some of the functions are not available in the R. And if you want to use them, we need to download or we need to install particular packages, right? So I'll start with the okay. I'll start with firstly I'm creating a vector here using the C function, right? Certain values I'm keeping inside this. So one vector I created. Now if I want to get the mean of this vector, right? So what I need to do? I need to use a function called mean, right? I press enter. You can see it is returning in the mean. Getting my point?
So easy.
Sorry?
So easy, ma'am.
Yes, it is easy, right? And names of the functions are also with the actual names, right? So you do not need to bother also. Fine. Then median. Mode, for mode there is no function available in means what I can say, without using any package we cannot get the mode. So that is why I'm not calculating the mode here. We will go for calculating the standard deviation. Variance. Simple, I hope.
Yes.
Done. Do I need to wait?
Done, ma'am.
Okay. What about others?
Done, ma'am.
Shall I proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So skewness and kurtosis is also not available as a built-in function, so we cannot use them right now, right? But these are the basic things which we can get, right? Now, next comes the concept of missing value. Anyone who can explain what is missing value?
मतलब मैम अगर if we have a data set, sometimes in the data set there are certain cells which are not having any values. Those are known as the missing values, I think.
Okay, very good. Anyone else wants to say something for missing value?
Ma'am, basically, we forget that we have assigned some kind of thing that we have to add that kind of value that we need to again put it that missing value that we are considering, like I'm taking for the mean. If I have not taken that 43, it is kind of that. Then I can add this thing again. I can get my corrected mean. It's kind of like that missing value.
Okay, fine. So when I want to explain missing value from my point of view, I say this thing: missing value is what? Missing values are the data points or the observations which are not available with us, are known as missing value, right? In R, generally we are defining or indicating or representing the missing values by NA or NaN, right? Now, if missing values are there in our data set, how we will deal with that, right? So we need to see that now. So I will create one more vector here, and in that
NaN, if you put small, it's okay, ma'am. We needed to put capital NaN.
I need to check. It is, I think,
It's capital N, small a, capital N, ma'am.
small a, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, right. Fine. Then talking about, I'm creating one more vector here with certain missing values, right? And we will see then how we can deal with that vector if a vector is having the missing values. So how we can get the mean and other thing for that type of vector, right? So I'll take certain values here. And NA will be in caps, okay? This is we need to keep in our mind. Done. Visible, I hope.
Yes, ma'am.
Any figures you can take with certain missing values, right? Now, if suppose I want to calculate the mean of this vector y, so I need to see what we are getting. It is returning me NA, right? You can see, means we are not getting the mean of a vector in which there are certain missing values. In that case, there will be certain changes we need to make, and the changes are, we need to pass the name of the vector and we need to type na.rm equal true. So you can see it is returning me the mean now. Clear?
RM is returning mean, ma'am.
Sorry?
NA dot R.
NA.rm meaning is we are asking R to remove NA. And we are
Okay.
making this particular argument true.
Okay.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Similarly, we can get the median. Again, we are getting NA. So that means meaning is what? You need to use same NA.rm, make it true. and execute. Similarly, standard deviation will get using the na.rm equals 2 and the variance y comma na.rm equals 2. Done.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, shall I go ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So till here, concept of missing value. If missing values are available in any vector, how we can deal that? It is clear to everyone, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So before proceeding to the next, I want to give you one task and I want you people to perform. So the task is create a data frame for employees with fields name, age, salary, and department. There should be some missing values in numeric fields. So I'm copying this and putting in the chat for you people, expecting you to please do it because yesterday we haven't done any exercise, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, we did.
So that way you can understand firstly whether you are able to make data frame or not, and if we are in a position to make it, that way we will go and we will check the mean, etc. for these data structure, this data structure, right?
Okay.
Okay. So I am giving you almost 2 to 3 minutes. Are okay?
We'll do our best. We'll see.
Okay.
Ma'am, should we use the imaginary numbers?
Yeah, any figures with whatever you wish to take. Up to you.
In an Excel file?
No. Here in R programming, you need to create that.
Okay.
Studio. Done. Anyone who has made it? Yes, done. Friends, I think 4 minutes completed. Shall I?
Madam, when I enter the NA, so it gives the error.
NA, have you written in a full caps?
No, in numeric fields where the age and salary in that vector only. In that data frame, I just give some NA. So shows
So,
the error of
if you can share your screen. Possible for you to share your screen?
unexpected symbol.
Okay, possible for you
Okay.
to share your screen?
Wait a moment.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I will share.
Yeah, just a minute. I'm stop sharing my screen. Wait a minute. Yeah.
No, madam. Now clear. I just share the output.
Okay. You got, means there is no error now, right? Error free
No,
code.
error removed. Error removed.
Okay.
Is it visible, ma'am? So here is the output in the last. Is it right?
Right. For how
The
many
data frame
employees you
that I
created the
created?
data? For 3 employees only?
Only 3 employees. You give any number? How many employees are there?
At least 5 should be there, because further we need to
Okay,
calculate
then.
few more things.
Okay. So I will enter again 2.
You enter few more, 2 names, 2 ages, 2 salary values, and 2 departments.
Okay, but is it the right, ma'am?
Yeah, correct.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Ma'am, I am facing the same problem. I have done the codes, but in console, it's not giving me any. If you want, I can share my screen.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, Sneha ma'am. Mayuri ma'am, are you sharing your screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have shared. Yeah, I'm just looking at it. What is the error? Can you read the error? Ma'am, do one thing. Just a minute. Please wait. Select row number 2, 3, 4, 5. Select 2, 3, 4, 5. Row number, line number. Up.
Okay, ma'am. 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Okay. Then run this code. Control enter, or maybe you can use the icon above. Right. Now run line number 8. Now 11. Got it.
But why should I do like that?
Because writing a code is like you need to execute also to get the output, no?
Okay, matlab, if I write it directly on console, then entering will work. But if I write it on the editor,
in the console, in the console, because to go in the second line, you need to press enter, and once you are pressing enter in the console, it is executing your code. So there is no problem. But the text editor is a facility available in the RStudio, which is providing you to write your text easily, write your codes easily. But if you want to get the output, you need to execute it.
Okay, got it, ma'am.
So I hope it is fine. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Crystal clear.
Okay, thank you. So moving ahead, I think you please stop share your screen. Yeah. I'm sharing my now. My screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, okay. I also create the data frame. Anyone who can try, if we want to get the mean salary, how we can get that? Anyone?
Ma'am, if you put mean of and select this into that, will you get that, ma'am?
Sorry, mean?
You type mean and
Hmm.
then take this data and put there, will you get it, ma'am? Only the salary alone.
Okay, you try, ma'am, and then tell me. Meanwhile, I'm just creating my vector and then.
I'm very slow in studio. I'm not able to do it.
Okay, fine. So give me a few seconds. I'm just writing it in hurry, and then we will go. Next, I think I have told you to give the salary row. No?
Ah, yes.
And lastly, the department. Now, fine. Oh, I forgot to give missing value. Sorry.
NA.
I think in age, I'm not giving missing value. Only in salary, I'm giving the missing values. Okay. Okay. So now, if I wish to get the mean salary, what I need to do? This is only no. We need to use dollar to access the column of the employees data set or employees data frame. After dollar, you can see once you are putting the dollar, it will show you. See?
Ma'am, can you please scroll down a little bit?
Down. Okay.
Yes, that is all.
Fine, friends. Getting my point? And then as we are having the missing values, so I'm keeping na.rm function. So the average salary of the employees in the organization is 39,666.67. Clear? Understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Right. Just give some time, ma'am.
Yeah. Once you people are ready, please tell me.
Hi, ma'am. Wait a moment.
Got it, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am, just wait a minute, ma'am.
fine.
department, the first two are XX only, no, ma'am?
I have given two. Yeah, two employees are from the same department.
Same department, okay.
I'm putting it into the chat.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I'm not getting it.
Okay. Who is not getting?
Moyuri.
Okay. What is the error or something you are getting, ma'am?
Object employee not found.
I think you have written employee or employees,
Employees I have written.
because you have shown me in that case. I think I have observed those employees.
Ma'am, still I have written. Can I share my screen once more, ma'am?
Okay, you share. Employees spelling is current is not correct, ma'am. In the line number 7. Line number 7.
Okay, got it. Ma'am.
Now run this.
Yes,
Getting?
yes. Got it.
Done. Show. 6.67. Shall I share my screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Visible, I hope, to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now, I think, meanwhile, people were making the data frame. I have written one more thing for you. When we want to check any availability there in the any particular object or not, so we can use the function called is.na. Is.na means whether there is na in y, right? So once you are doing this, it will give you the true, false, true, false. Wherever it is true, that means there is a missing value available, right? Wherever there is a false, that means there is no missing value available at that position. When you want to access the position of the missing values in any object, so before this particular syntax, you need to only put the function named as which. So at which position na is there in y. If I want to find this, I can do this. It is returning me the index at 5th position, and at 11th position there is the na. Getting my point?
Query is there.
Sorry.
Ma'am, actually, I run the same code that mean employees, dollar salary, and that remove the na.rm, that with the help of that remove the na. But the code that I write similar 2 times, but one time it run and another time it will not give the answer.
Okay.
So
There is some
after that
magic.
rm equal na.rm equal to, after that t is there. So there is a space between that. Need to give the space.
Not necessary. Not necessary.
Because when I run the same program, it give the output.
So why you written twice, sir? What is the reason of writing these in text twice?
Because what happened? The first time I just type and run, so it give the error. But from your chat box, I copy your code and just remove your employees by my table name, my data frame name. So it give the answer.
Okay, so you
Yes,
do one
that I
thing,
want to know
share
what
your
exactly
screen.
happened.
Sir, share your screen.
Yes. Yeah, I will. Is it visible, ma'am?
About to.
Is it visible?
Not
Line
yet.
number 22, ma'am.
not yet.
Not yet, not visible.
Is it not visible?
No, sir.
Now, madam,
Now
coming,
it's
coming.
now visible?
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
Yeah, visible.
Okay, so this line number 22, when I run,
Oh,
visible?
can you increase the font size, sir? Firstly, little bit difficult for me to read.
Okay. So after executing line number 22, it gives error.
Sorry.
When I run the line number 22,
22. Okay.
it generates the error that, and when I run the line number 23, it generates the output.
Okay. Read the line number 20. Come to the line number 20. 20. Run this.
Okay, sorry. Now 21.
Hmm. Okay.
Now 22.
Just terminate. Yeah.
Shall I run the 22
Yes,
now?
Yes.
So yes,
Sir,
capital,
in the line
small.
number 22, make salaries as capital.
Okay, okay.
Hey, increase the font size now. Now I realize that. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Just the habit of first letter typing na, that makes the mistake.
So, develop a habit, either write everything in the small cap because R is case sensitive. Even Python is also case sensitive, right?
No, my caps lock is off, but the shift command shift keyboard I use na. So habit of use the shift whenever the typing first letter.
Okay, fine. My screen is
Okay,
visible now.
thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. My screen is visible now.
Visible, ma'am.
Right. So I hope you understood these two syntaxes.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So why I'm telling you this?
Madam,
If
please
so,
can you repeat this?
Okay.
Can you
I
repeat this
said-
because I just in that.
okay.
This is
I
true
said-
now that I don't listen because I just tried to solve that.
Fine. So shall I?
Okay, please.
Okay. So I was talking. If we want to see whether the missing values are available in any object or not, so we need to use the simple function called is.any. Is.any, inside this, I'm passing the name of my object, which is a vector, right? I think we have created y initially here with the two missing values, right? So I want to check. Once you will run this, so you can see in the console, it is returning me false, 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 true, and false, 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 true, and false. That way, you can see wherever there is a missing value, it is giving me true. Wherever it is a no missing value or the value is available, it is giving me false, right? But once the data is very large, because it is a very small vector, right? So in that case, sometimes it happens we want to access the position at which position the missing value is there. So what you need to do before this particular function, we need to use a function called which. So at which position NA is there in Y? This is what I'm asking to the R. So it is returning me the position number 5 and 11. Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
So, yeah. So now we will impute NA or missing value in vector Y. Right? So when I'm knowing the position, which is Y, vector is Y, position number is 5. So in this position, I want to store. I can store any value Suppose I'm storing here the mean. Fine. Now once I'm calling Y, you can see at the 5th position, we are having the average. Getting?
Okay.
This was the average. Previously, we have calculated the average, which was 124.6. In my case, this is according to my data, right? In your case, it may vary. Done? Shall I go ahead? Friends, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, if suppose I want to replace more than one missing value together, I need to give both the positions simultaneously. Now you can see, right? Fine.
One 124 again. It's coming on the 11th. Like it missing is
Position. Clear to everyone? I think I haven't tried this. I'll try first time. Meanwhile, you people are trying. I'm doing one more thing.
Ma'am, kindly copy the beginning part of your, but you were explaining about the measure of center tendency, measure this. These kind of that we have not copied because I was typing a little bit slow. So only the upper portion that which you texting you were in the beginning you have written. Kindly copy in the chat box. But the theoretical part I'm saying.
Just a minute. Yes. Okay. Which one you're talking about? This?
Yeah, you're explaining about this thing. Yeah.
This one?
I'm talking about the descriptive statistics because it was too much text. I was not it.
Okay.
They're from this, yes. And then only the text part. Not this is not required. Only text up above, up, ma'am, up. Only theoretical.
You can check in the chat box. This is what you are asking me. Check in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am. Fine, ma'am. Fine.
But it is not taking complete line. Last line I'm copying again. It is because the word limit of the message in the chat, right? Now, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Done, everyone?
Sorry, madam, but I I don't run. So please wait. I will run.
Yeah, I'm waiting.
Actually, my principal's calling me. That's why I was busy in 2 minutes to talking with them.
Okay.
I can't deny the phone of principal. I just miss I didn't listen what exactly you taught. Hello.
Ma'am, I'm encountering one
Am I audible?
problem when I'm trying to running your codes and the error shows object employees not found. I just copy paste whatever you have written in the
You need
chat.
to execute. Have you executed it? After writing, you copying and pasting, you need to execute that also.
I have already executed, but it shows the object employee is not found.
Okay. So
Let me share my screen, ma'am.
share. I think I said the same thing, and you have not executed. You can see your environment is empty. Nothing is created in the environment. You have to run the entire code.
I have to select everything and control enter. Okay, I have to select everything. Got it, ma'am. Can you please paste the rest of the codes, ma'am?
I already did, ma'am. I think. Which code
No,
you're asking me?
that missing value code.
Okay. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I share my screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Done. Clear, everyone? Till here?
Ma'am, now it's showing that object Y is not found. I have selected everything and then I have run.
Because I think I created Y, you have not created in the previous. It was created here at the line number 376. Without
Okay,
creation, how you will get that? I have pasted that also in the set.
got it, ma'am.
Fine. It is clear. May I proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I will tell you one more function is available in R, which is very important, named as summary. This function is giving you the descriptive statistics, not everything, but many things about your data. You can find when you are using summary for the employees data set or employee data frame, you are getting for both the numeric variables, you are getting the minimum, age, first quartile, median, mean, third quartile, and the maximum value, right? Getting my point?
Yes, I'm trying.
Yeah. For the remaining two variables, which is name and the department, these are the character vectors. So for them, we are getting only the length, class, and the mood. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. If it is done, I think now we are clear with the basic, basic functions in R.
Madam,
Yes. Yes, sir. Yeah.
actually, I can't connect it. Saying which after that is and which after that that you run. Should I have to try? Actually, you pasted in chat box also.
Yes, it is there.
So
I'm
I
not
run
getting your
that
question.
C511.
So what is your question? I'm not getting your question.
What happened? Can you tease that?
Sir, I think there is a problem.
Can you
Your voice.
up
The voice is
that cursor here that 408 above that line. You can up your window.
This?
That your editor window. Yes, this window. Yes, ma'am, please. Again, up to that which line number 399, I understand each and everything, but this I run, so means I didn't get exactly what what will be the output that you are getting here? Can you
This is,
tell me
I think
short?
you need to read the heading. The heading is saying we are imputing the missing value.
The
If
input
there is
NA
a
or missing
value,
Okay.
I copied from your
So
chat,
with
ma'am.
the help
I
of
got
that input NA or
sorry,
I copy that. I copy that also
Hmm.
and trying to run.
Hmm.
So when I run that, it will show. mm, Yeah, that it will shows the mean of that particular y. So here NA also included there.
Sorry,
NA also included in that now output na
Hmm.
values NA values are also displayed.
At
yes,
Uh-huh.
NA is displayed, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
so I think there are two NAs. Sir. I am only replacing one NA, which is at the 5th position.
Okay. So here one and directly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How to count, ma'am, that it shows the two lines 1 and 9.
Sir, I think you can
First
share your
row
screen.
of
I'm
that
not getting your point. You
below there
share
is a
your
9.
screen. I'm not getting your point. Share your
Okay.
screen.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Please. Yes.
Are you sharing?
Now it is visible, ma'am. It is visible.
Not yet, sir.
Okay. Now, ma'am.
Not yet, sir.
Rama, ma'am, please can you unpin
Yeah.
because sharing option is not available here.
I copied whatever ma'am put in chat. I
Which-
got the same output, sir.
Okay, okay. Now sharing option is available.
Okay, shares.
Ma'am, in
Is
between,
it
can
visible?
you paste the entire codes in chat box?
I think I have already done, ma'am. Till now,
No, not the where you have replaced the NA.
I think that also I did.
And output
Not
I
yet visible, sir.
got the output. Ma'am, I got the output, but the output that I received, that I didn't understand. That's why that's something.
Sir, it's
Discuss.
coming now. Just click on the.
So, ma'am, after the execution of this line, line number 27. So I got this answer. So here
You
it
got?
removed the fifth locations.
Fifth
Fifth locations NA it will remove.
NA will be replaced by the mean value.
Sorry, please repeat.
Fifth position NA will be removed or replaced by the mean value.
Mean value. Okay. So here
We are assigning
by
at fifth position.
1,
At fifth
2,
position, we are
3,
assigning the mean.
4, and 5. Okay, okay. So at fifth location, it will replace with the NA, isn't it?
It will replace with the
So
mean.
this is my hello.
Yes.
No, this is my vector. 15, 45 minus 720 NA. So at fourth location there is the NA.
You need to replace at fourth position. That is according to my vector.
Okay, okay, okay. So I just copy same thing. So I have to replace it with 4. So what exactly means this after
In
execution?
place
What?
of 5, you will write 4. That's all.
So here in place of 4.
Obviously, code will not change, sir. Only the position change.
Ma'am, my the last the summary function is
Yes,
not
yes.
working. It
Now,
shows
ma'am,
unable to find the inherited.
fourth location is change with the NA change with the mean. That 21.80485 is mean, na?
I think it's mean. I think you
Am I-
need to check your main
Isn't-
your vector, sir.
No, that I will check, but that replace the fourth position is NA. In the fourth position of my vector, it have that particular NA here.
Hmm.
So that replace with the 20. So 20 is the mean.
Yes.
Okay, so that particular code for replacing the mean.
Hmm.
And the below right, ma'am, the two locations, that 5th and 11. Okay. So
In
I
your
have to
case,
find
it
out the
will be
next location of.
in your case it will be 4 and 9.
I will try, ma'am.
4 and 9, I think.
Now I understand. I will try.
Fine.
Yes,
No,
ma'am. This is
4 and
4,
9.
5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, yes, ma'am. Now understand, ma'am.
And
Thank you.
rather than counting, sir, I already told you we need to use which not any function, no? Why you are counting? I think from that which not any, I have seen it at which position there is any.
I just be busy in the communication with principal. That's why I didn't understand what exactly you teach. That's why I just copy your code and just paste. That's why that mistake.
Fine. Fine, fine. No
Thank you.
issues. Yes, Mayuri, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm not getting the value for the summary function. It shows me unable to find an inherited method for function summary for signature X equal to data frame.
Summary is a basic function. We do not need to.
Let me share my screen, then you can have an idea.
Yeah, summary is a basic function. It's a base function. Yeah. Okay. SU double M, I think. It's a single M you have written.
No, double M.
Double M only, ma'am. The font is very small.
Okay. Error unable to find the inherited method of function summary. S is in caps, ma'am, or in a small cap?
S in capital.
No,
Capital.
it should be small.
Let me change it.
Yes, ma'am. I put in small. I got it, ma'am.
Yeah.
Fine.
Got it, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I'm just sharing my screen, ma'am. 1 minute.
So shall I? Anyone else is sharing his screen? Do I need to wait?
Just 1 minute.
Yeah. Anything you want to ask me?
No, ma'am. Whatever you gave, I did, and I got the same as yours.
That's great. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
So shall I?
Yes, ma'am.
Visible my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
So I think we are having left the not much time. So I think now I can come to the user-defined function if you people say yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so when I say user-defined function, so I think from name itself it is quite clear. We being a user are defining functions in the R environment, right? So the scope of the function will be limited to this particular script only, because we are not uploading these things in the R environment, right? So to make our functioning easier in the R, generally we can create the user-defined functions. Although from the point of view of research data analysis, we do not need to go in this, but still, as this is the agenda we have kept in this FDP, so I will only give you the small glimpses that few small user-defined functions we will create here, right? So firstly, you need to understand, if we want to create a user-defined function, we need to use the reserved keyword function, right? Using loops such as if, for, while. Functions can be created in R, right? Is it clear? Done? Clear to everyone? So as there is no function, suppose there is no function available in R which is giving us the square. If I want to square a number, what I need to do, right? So I am creating a function named as SQR using the function keyword, passing the n inside this using the loop. Here I need to write one more thing. For loop, we use curly brackets, right? For the execution. So you need to understand there are various kind of we have seen till now the round bracket, which we are using for the function. We have seen the square bracket, which we are using for the index purpose. And now the curly brackets we are using for executing the loops, right? So whenever you are creating the function using these loops, we need to use the curly brackets. So I am using here one of the function. So that is why means I'm using here, or I'm creating user-defined functions. That's why I'm using the loop here, because it will indicate the whole set of codes or whole set of lines which I'm writing, enclosing in these parentheses. This will be executed in once, right? Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
So a very small function we have written here. We know square is nothing but it is when we are multiplying same number by same number, we are getting the square. So this way,
Copy it in the chat, ma'am. It's not visible. Very small.
not visible.
No, that after n,
Okay,
output equal to n.
just a minute. I did it.
Okay, ma'am. Multiplications. Okay, fine. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. But here you didn't use curly bracket, no, ma'am.
Oh, I used. After n, we started the curly bracket.
Okay.
Yes. Done? So this is the function which we have created. Here we have passed only a single argument. We can pass 2 arguments also. Done, everyone? Shall I go ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
What about others? All are done?
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Done. Now suppose we are going with the create a function for getting the area of rectangle. Done? I'm pasting in the chat for you people. If you wish, you can take it from the chat. Done?
Yes, madam. Basically, you are putting one formula earlier, then you are putting a value. Simultaneously, we can go with the cube and other thing of circle area of circle.
Square root, whatever you want. You can do that according to
First,
the
we need
formula.
to put the formula, then we can do it as put our values.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have copy pasted your codes, but it is shows unexpected error.
Okay, show your history.
Just, I think I have missed one parenthesis.
Are you sharing or it is fine?
I'm sharing.
करके मम्मी क्या बनेगी?
Okay.
One mistake, ma'am. Is it XC equal to in area? You put a hyphen there, not equal to. 39 line.
Here.
Yes, yes. Equal to. Equal to.
I have already equal to, it was there in equal to only.
Now also equal to.
Yes.
After, ma'am, no. Line number 42. After 43, round bracket. You have kept a curly bracket also. Remove that.
The last one, this one.
Yes. Now, no need to run. I think your function. Yeah, now run. You need to run the complete.
Yeah, now got it. But I think we have, where should we do? Where should I give the
Function
parenthesis?
is, ma'am, it has ended after the print. It has ended, and area is the area we have created a function. We are calling that function with the parameters now or arguments now. So why you are giving this is a function now for you? So why you are giving the curly bracket there?
Okay, got it, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the role of paste?
Paste is generally we are using to combining the two strings.
But actually I run this without paste, so I got the same answer.
That's great.
Why does need to combine paste? Means paste for joining the two lines. That area rectangle
I
is
have
what will be
joined
the
the
output that
X.
we are.
I have joined X, and I also want to write area of the rectangle is without paste.
But
I don't
without
think you can
using
write
that, without using paste, I can you try just remove paste and run? I think you will get the answer. I got that answer without using paste.
That's great. If you are getting, so it's great. Okay, fine. So shall I go ahead? Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So it is not mandatory enough to use paste.
If you are getting, then it is fine, sir. I think I am not getting without paste, so that is why I have used paste. Fine.
So
Shall I?
So that's what I want. Can you so can I remove the paste and try to run so it will give the answer or not? That I want to.
I think you
Whether
said
it's
you
a
got
version
the
problem or anything more.
Satish sir, I think you said you got
Yeah, I
the
got the
answer.
answer.
So in that case, there is no need.
Yes, I got the answer.
So in that case, there is no need. I think it is okay, right?
Okay, I use both, madam.
That's
Okay,
good.
thank
That's
you.
what I'm saying. That's good. Okay, shall I go ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So I think this is a task I'm giving to you people. I'm not performing this here. You need to perform at your end, right? The task is, I think people are knowing about the palindrome number. Do you have any idea what is palindrome number in R? Or no, in maths.
What number, ma'am?
Palindrome number.
We have from forward to backward, it is the same number. If we reverse it from backward to
Yes.
forward, it will be the same number.
Yes, very correct. Means when I'm saying 1 to 1, it is palindrome because reverse of this number will be same, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you need to create a function to check whether the number is palindrome. This is your task, right? I'm not performing this. This you need to perform. I'm putting this in the chat box. You can copy from the chat that what is your task, because we need to take the last thing also of the today's data. Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will talk about, yes. Someone is asking something.
No, ma'am, understood.
Okay. Now we are talking about the next concept in the R named as packages or libraries. So these are nothing but these are the bundle of functions predefined and usually based to perform similar kind of tasks, right? So bundle, maybe you can write set of functions. That is much better language, right? So you can say this is nothing but these are the set of functions which are predefined, and usually these are the all the functions will be almost performing the similar kind of thing. Similar kind of thing. Say for example, I want to go for the manipulation, data manipulation. So what are the functions required for the data manipulation? All the functions will be grouped or will be there in a one particular library, right? So I need to install that library. I need to use that library in that R environment. I need to bring that library in the global environment of R, and that way I can use all those functions of that particular library. Generally, it is suggestive, do not download or do not install each and every packages in your softwares or sorry, in your devices, because these packages are taking or consuming the memory, right? So that way it will make your device slower. So do not use each and every package. If you are using a particular package for a certain to perform certain task, after that you can uninstall this also, right? Getting my point? So packages and libraries are nothing but these are the set of the functions which is already created by the users and uploaded in the R environment. For our ease purpose, for our task purpose, we can use those libraries and packages, and that way we can work easily in the R environment. Clear, everyone? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now we will see the process.
Someone raised a hand.
Okay. Who is this? Someone has any question or query, because I am on my screen. I cannot see your screen. Or Google Meet screen I cannot see right now. Anyone who is having any query, please ask. Who has raised the hand?
Dr. Karthik.
Vera sir. Vera sir, you have any question? Why you're not unmuting yourself? Without listening to you, how I can understand? Number not getting. Which number you're not getting? Which number you're not getting, sir? Answer means the what the function is returning. You are not getting that. That is what you are saying. Output you are not getting. This is what. Okay. So I need to see your screen. Can you share your screen? I may stop sharing mine. Can you share? Possible for you to share? Why you are not talking, sir? If you will talk, that can help us to resolve the problem. Okay. Same issue. I think I can see 2 brackets. Line number 60. Line number 60. No, it is a single bracket. Curly bracket? It's a curly bracket or round bracket? If it is round bracket, it's fine. If it is curly, you need
It's a round bracket, ma'am.
Round bracket. Round bracket.
fine. Function and best area of a triangle. Okay. Okay. Come to line number 59. Run this line, sir. There is some problem of the brackets, I think.
Rectangle की spelling में mistake है.
It does not means it will not affect the output, ma'am, because it is enclosed in the double brackets, double quote, no? So it will not impact. Area function FUNCTIY L into L comma B bracket L is equal to L into B print. Okay. Sir, save your R script or do one thing. Clean your R console. Right side. Right side brush. Blow to this. Okay. No, still it is not taking. Okay, do come on line number 48. Run this. You need to save your R script, close your R script and again open it. I hope it is saved. No, it is untitled. So you need to save your this R script first, sir. Close this entire window. I think saving is done, no?
Yeah, but it is asking again.
Save it, save it. Now again open the R Studio. And share the screen. Open FDP 10725. I think you can see tab is there. I can see the tab. Below the ribbon, there are 3 tabs. FDP day 3, I think. Untitled and FDP 10725. Open the last one. Click on that. I hope you are listening, sir. There is no movement on screen. I hope you are listening. Sir, are you listening to me? Better, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
So click on FDP 10725.
Which one?
Below the ribbon, below the save button, you can see there are 3 tabs: FDP Day 3, Untitled, and FDP 10725. Click on FDP 10725.
Which one? I'm not getting them.
Okay, I think you know the save button. Come to the save button. Above this, you can see there is Untitled. Above FDP Day 3.
FDP, sir.
Yeah.
Third line. Yes, sir. That one.
Right side.
Yeah. Click
This
on
one. This one.
Yeah, come down. Wherever you have created that function, come there. Yeah, come down. Yeah. Come to the line number 59. Run this. There is some problem.
Yeah.
There is no run button. Press Control Enter.
Control N.
Control Enter.
Control N. No function.
Not working. There is some problem with the R Studio, sir. So it happens sometimes. So you do one thing, because we are not we are at the end of the session, right?
Ma'am,
I'll
I can
paste
copy paste again, ma'am. One more time.
No, nothing he needs to do. You need to just close your R script for the time being, right?
Okay.
Whatever I'm explaining, I will put in the chat box. You can copy and paste, and then after a few minutes or hour, you can open it again. It will work. Sometimes it happens with R Studio.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
That's it for today. Yeah, we have to go on.
No. We need to see the package, how to install.
Okay.
Just wait. It will
Yeah,
save
no.
our time. Good. Otherwise, if you say I'll take it tomorrow also, but as you say, installation I need to tell you tomorrow.
Time is like I'm the only one left in the office. All people has gone to 6 p.m. The guard is saying like
No
this.
issues.
Okay.
No issues. Sir, we will take it tomorrow. No problem. You people
No,
have
we
understood the
have-
concept.
Yeah, I got it.
You
We
people
have
have
the
understood the
21st to 28 spaces now, ma'am, with this RFI. 21st,
I
28.
can tell you, sir. Sometimes it happens. I am getting the information little late. So you can
take
ask.
PLS. You take PLS as well.
I
PLS?
haven't taken here in the RFI right now.
Okay.
Because with the PLS problem is that we are not having that software. And if we are teaching, so we need to download it for the 1 month only. And there is a problem from the same ID, we cannot download it again and again.
Because I came to the 21st, 28, you have SPSS that I have going to do. But another PLS, I want to inquire, you take or not? That is my concern.
As I said, MOS I am having although, but I'm not having smart PLS.
Okay.
Yeah. Fine. So I think, friends, we are ending the session here with the note. Today we have tried to understand the concept of functions in R. We have seen some basic functions, which is we have already worked on. Apart from that, we have seen user-defined functions, although we have only created 2 user-defined functions and 1 task I have given you to perform, right? Then I started with the package and library concept, but we have not seen how to install these things in the R environment. That I'll take tomorrow, right? So this is all from my side for the day. If you are having any queries, you can ask me.
But one thing I just want to ask that we have to remember all those the codes.
I think yes. But I think I have told you one more thing. Syntaxes we do not need to keep in your mind because you can get the help from the R. So it will guide you what will the arguments you need to pass inside the particular what I can say function, right? So as it is a length. Okay, as
Okay, ma'am.
Right? So means if we are speaking any language, we need to understand what are the syntaxes of that language, right? So similarly, if you want to work in the future with the R, so you need to keep few things in your mind. Once you have started working on this, you have made it as a practice. I don't think so you need to mug up each and everything. It will be in your practice in that case.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Right. Okay. Any other query?
Madam, are you copied all today's code in chat box?
I think I already did, sir.
It up to square root that we find out the square function. Na? It is up to that.
Okay,
much.
area I
After
did,
that,
sir.
area.
Area also I
Yes,
have
up
done.
to area.
Yeah, area was the last because
Area
packages
is.
haven't discussed, so we will discuss packages tomorrow.
Okay.
Fine.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much,
madam,
sir.
for such a wonderful session.
Thank you so much, Satish, sir. Any other query, friends?
We'll have to create the palindrome for assignment, ma'am. Okay.
That you people need to do.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Fine. Any other query, friends? No queries? Fine. So I think this is all from my side for the day, friends. We'll meet tomorrow for the next session. I'll discuss the remaining part of today, that is installation of the packages, right? And then we will start working with the distributions. I'll try to explain you 3 distributions, which are the main distributions: binomial, Poisson, and the normal distribution, right? Fine. So, okay, good night, everyone. We are meeting tomorrow now.
Thank you. Good night, ma'am.
Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Yoga sir, we are done for the day. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.